What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here's the Sony A6400. Let me turn it on. One of the best camera as all-rounder. Personally, I love the Sony A6400 Sony camera for the menu. Sony camera have the best menu system. Just click on menu. It's very easy for me to remember. Camera setting 1, camera setting 2, network. I think Sony menu are the best. Do not listen to stupid YouTuber, stupid idiot YouTuber out there. Again, stupid idiot YouTuber out there who really don't know anything to be about any photography. They just pick up a camera, they think they are smart. Sony menu system is very well organized, one of the best. Personally, I love Panasonic and Canon menu system, but I prefer more of the Sony. I rank number 1 when it comes to the menu. I mean, everything is very well organized. I go to camera setting 1. Here I can use this wheel, or I can use this left or right, or I can use this dial. I mean, everything is like very intuitive. I mean, as you can see. And then now let me go. You see, playback. I mean, I don't know what to say. I can just say the Sony menu system is very well organized. I'm gonna show you the menu system. Okay, start from here. Camera setting 1. We are at the camera setting 1, as you can see. Okay, everything is there. Exposure, composition, I know everything will be on camera setting 1. On Sony A64 and camera setting 1 will have 14 pages. Picture profile is very important. I mean, I can easily memorize which page. Camera setting 1 or camera setting 2. For slow-mo IO or 4K 1080p, I go to camera setting 2, page 1. Audio recording will be on camera setting 2, page 2. Movie shutter. So yeah, I mean, I think Sony menu system are the best. Do not look at stupid YouTuber who really don't know anything. I mean, for playback, step, format, my menu, I don't use my menu that much. I mean, yeah, I think Sony menu system are the best. Do not listen to stupid YouTuber who really don't know anything about anything, to be honest with you. Subscribe and bye. That's all I can say. Personally, I will say, I mean, Sony menu system is very good. Other than that, let me just, click the function key. In function key, I have everything I need. I mean, I can use just wheel to change. Sony menu system are the best. That's all I can say. Subscribe and